Is it your position, Madam, that the powers of the Ombudsman under the Constitution override the provisions of the AMLA as passed by Congress and the Eugenio case, which I just quoted, as decided by the Supreme Court?
I must just abide by what the provisions of the Ombudsman law provides. Until the provision is declared unconstitutional, I must abide by it, Your Honor.
You mean that your powers as enumerated in the Constitution override the laws passed by Congress, such as AMLA law, the Judicial Bank Secrecy Deposit Law, the Foreign Currency Deposit Law, and even the case of Eugenio?
I invite your attention, Your Honor, to the AMLA law, Section 3C.
Yes.
3C, it says, monetary instrument refers to coins or currency of legal tender of the Philippines,
yes,
or of any other country.
So what is the point of your answer?
My point is that dollars are covered.
There's no question about that.
Okay.
The issue here is that under the AMLA law, first, it is the Council must conduct a fact-finding system, and then if it finds probable cause, refer the matter to you for preliminary investigation. But you did not follow this procedure. Plus, there is a provision in the same law that provides that you must first go file a petition in court and get a court order before AMLA can answer your question.
Yes, Your Honor, but this applies only for cases involving money laundering.
Do you intend, if the defendant is acquitted, to file a second complaint for impeachment this year?
Your Honor, it is the House which determines whether, on the basis of the data it receives...
I am not asking about who decides. If in this first impeachment trial, the defendant is acquitted, do you intend to file a second impeachment complaint against him after the one-year ban?
For the purpose of filing
yes,
an impeachment complaint?
That's right.
If that is warranted after the investigation, conclusion of the investigation, if it's warranted, we will.
All right. Thank you. That is the only question. So we are placing the defendant on notice that even if this court acquits him, he can expect a second impeachment complaint by December this year. Are you of the opinion, therefore, that should somebody file a complaint against any of us senators or members of the House, you can just go straight to AMLA and ask for our records without going to the court or without waiting for probable cause to be found by the Council itself?
That would depend on the complaint, Your Honor.
Yes, of course, it will depend on the complaint. But suppose, hypothetically, that you find that the complaint is warranted. Is that your view? That you can just act on your own?
It would
sua
depend.
sponte?
It would depend on the nature of the complaint.
I know that. But suppose that after all your own internal procedures, and you have made a decision that the complaint is worthy of further consideration, is it your considered opinion that, as in this case, you can just go direct to AMLA and not follow the procedures in the AMLA law?
Your Honor, again, I said it would depend on the complaint.
Well, you're fudging your answer.
No, you said it's... I said
you are arguing with a senator judge.
I'm sorry, mea culpa.
I accept the apology.
Noted.